Hello students, welcome back to our channel. This dictation is specially prepared for steno aspirants and candidates appearing for the stenotypist examination. The speed of this passage is 80 words per minute with fluctuation. Get your notebooks ready, sit comfortably, maintain proper posture and focus on accuracy along with speed. We will begin in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. The principles of natural justice form the ethical and procedural foundation of fair legal proceedings, full stop. Rooted in centuries of common law development, these principles aim to ensure that decisions affecting rights, obligations, or interests are made fairly, transparently, and without bias, full stop. Although natural justice originated in judicial processes, it now applies broadly to administrative and quasi judicial proceedings, influencing how authorities make decisions across a wide range of contexts. Full stop. Two core rules define natural justice: nemo judex in causa sua bracket start. No one should be a judge in their own cause bracket close, and od ultram partem bracket start. Here the other side bracket close full stop stanza. The first rule addresses impartiality and the avoidance of bias. Full stop. Decision makers must remain neutral and free from personal interest or prejudice. Full stop. Even the appearance of bias can undermine public confidence in the justice system. Full stop. Courts often assess bias through objective standards, asking whether a reasonable observer would suspect partiality. Full stop. The second rule, the right to be heard, ensures that individuals have an opportunity to present their case before an adverse decision is made. Full stop. This includes the right to receive notice of allegations, access to relevant evidence, and sufficient time to prepare a response. Full stop. In many legal systems, this principle also encompasses the right to legal representation and the opportunity to cross examine witnesses where appropriate. Natural justice promotes fairness by preventing arbitrary decision making. Full stop. For example, if a government agency revokes a license without giving the holder a chance to respond, courts may invalidate the decision for violating procedural fairness. Full stop. Similarly, if a judge has a financial interest in the outcome of a case, the proceedings may be declared void due to bias. Full stop. These safeguards enhance the legitimacy of legal outcomes and reinforce public trust in institutions. Over time, the scope of natural justice has evolved beyond rigid formalities. Full stop. Courts now emphasize procedural fairness, a flexible concept that adapts to the circumstances of each case. Full stop stanza. The level of procedural protection required depends on factors such as the seriousness of the decision, the rights at stake, and the statutory framework governing the process. Full stop. For instance, criminal trials demand extensive procedural safeguards, while administrative decisions may require less formal but still fair procedures, full stop. In common law jurisdictions like India and the United Kingdom, courts have integrated natural justice into administrative law, full stop. Even where statutes are silent on procedural requirements, authorities must act fairly unless explicitly exempted by legislation, full stop. This presumption reflects the judiciary's commitment to preventing misuse of discretionary powers. Natural justice also plays a crucial role in ensuring transparency and accountability, full stop. Decision makers must provide reasons for their actions, allowing affected individuals to understand how conclusions were reached and enabling appellate review, full stop. Reasoned decisions promote consistency and discourage arbitrary or discriminatory practices, full stop. Moreover, the availability of appeals and judicial review strengthens the enforcement of natural justice by offering remedies for procedural violations, full stop. However, the application of natural justice is not absolute, full stop. Courts recognize exceptions in situations involving national security, urgent action, or statutory exclusion, full stop. For example, in emergencies requiring immediate intervention, authorities may act first and provide a hearing later, full stop.